Imagine someone offered you $100,000, but there was one condition. You had to give away every moment of your teenage years. Every laugh, every mistake, every friendship, every opportunity, every chance to become the person you could have been. Would you take the deal? Probably not. And yet, millions of teenagers make that trade every single day. Not for money, but for comfort, for distractions, for "I'll start tomorrow." So if you really want to waste your teenage years without realizing it, here's exactly how. First, convince yourself that you have plenty of time. You're only 15, only 16, only 17. There's always next week, next month, next year. Until one day you wake up and realize the years disappeared while you were waiting for the perfect moment. Because the perfect moment never shows up. And that's only the beginning. Get addicted to your phone. Pick it up the second you wake up. Scroll while eating. Scroll while studying. Scroll before sleeping. Spend 6 hours watching other people live amazing lives while yours quietly passes by. Tell yourself you're relaxing. Ignore the fact that you're just borrowing happiness from strangers. But don't stop there. Avoid anything that feels difficult. Don't learn new skills. Don't exercise. Don't read. Don't create. If something takes effort, quit immediately. Because staying comfortable today is much more important than becoming capable tomorrow. And while you're at it, become obsessed with what everyone thinks of you. Wear what they wear, like what they like. Hide the parts of yourself that make you different. After all, fitting in feels safe, until one day you realize you spent years becoming someone you never wanted to be. Here's another trick. Compare yourself to everyone online. Look at edited photos, highlight reels, success stories without the failures. Then decide you're behind in life. Forget that you're comparing your everyday reality to someone else's best 5 seconds. Nothing destroys confidence faster. Now let's ruin your dreams. Every time you have an idea, say, "I'm not talented enough. I'm too young. Someone else can do it better." Keep waiting for confidence before taking action. Never discover that confidence is actually built after you start. And if opportunity knocks, ignore it. Don't join the club. Don't audition. Don't message that person. Don't ask the question. Rejection might hurt for a minute. Regret lasts much longer. Speaking of regret, never spend time with your family. Assume your parents will always be around. Assume your grandparents will always tell the same stories. Assume your younger siblings will stay young forever. One day those ordinary moments become memories, and memories can't be recreated. Here's another easy way to waste your teens. Only consume. Watch videos, play games, read comments, refresh feeds, but never make anything yourself, because creating is uncomfortable. It's easier to watch someone else's story than write your own. Then blame everyone else. Blame school. Blame your friends. Blame your teachers. Blame luck. Blame society. Just never look in the mirror. Responsibility is scary, but it's also where change begins. And finally, keep saying these 4 words. "I'll do it tomorrow." They're innocent. They're comforting. They're also one of the most expensive lies you'll ever believe. Because tomorrow becomes next week. Next week becomes next year. And suddenly your teenage years are over. The scary part? You won't notice them disappearing. They leave quietly, one ordinary day at a time. But here's the good news. You don't need to change your entire life tonight. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need one different decision. Read one page. Take one walk. Start one project. Have one difficult conversation. Put your phone down for 1 hour. Small actions don't feel life-changing until years later, when you realize they changed everything. Your teenage years aren't valuable because they're easy. They're valuable because you'll never get them back. So ask yourself this. 5 years from now, will you remember another night of endless scrolling? Or will you remember the day you finally decided your future was worth more than your comfort? The choice is invisible today, but one day, it becomes your entire life.